Welcome to the Aquaflow Crypto Lab. We are the only channel that was able to anticipate the current sell-off that we are seeing right now. I know that we are down and it looks scary, but we were expecting a retest of the bull-bear band from the start. This is exactly what we wanted to happen. In my previous videos, I said that it was good to have a breakout above the band, right? But at some point, XRP needed to come back to retest the band. We couldn't move forward without retesting it. I also mentioned that there were two parts in the band. We have the top of the band and the bottom of the band. This means that the band is an area and the entire area can serve as support. I wish that we wouldn't go that deep into the band to retest it. But again, so far to anticipate the market, all we did was look to the left and that's all. And we've never been disappointed. The current situation we are in is just the mirror of the past when we were in this scenario. Look how incredible this is. First, we have a breakout into the band, right? Look, we went up and we break into the band, then we came back down to retest the band and we have some kind of consolidation before a move up to break out above the band, and then we came back down in a deeper way to retest the entire band, retesting the bottom of the band. So first breakout, moonshot, retest of the band, right, and the bull market support at the same time. We have another breakout. We came back down to retest the band before another breakout and going to the moon, right? Look what happened just right here. It's very similar. I will keep this as a reference, but you can see that first we have a breakout. Here we have a breakout. Then we go up, we have a consolidation. You see, we go up, we have a consolidation. We have a second breakout above the band. We have our breakout above the band and we come back to retest the band. We come back to retest the entire band as a support. Do you see how similar this is? Now, if we zoom in, we didn't really touch the band. I know that we were very close to touch the bull market support with the blue dots and the bottom of the band, but as you can see, we didn't touch them. From the start, when we had our official breakout from the bull market support with the blue dots, it was always suspicious to me to have a breakout without an official retest of the blue dots, right? Because we came back down, but we never touched the blue dots and it was very, very suspicious. We had our consolidation, right? We went up, but now it's time to retest finally the bull market support, and so far, all we know is that before going into a bull market, XRP always retest the bull market support. Again, if we take a look at the past, you can see that we were here, right? And after the breakout, we really touched the bull market support once and then a second time just right here. To be honest, I have no crystal ball, but as we didn't touch the bull market support or the bottom of the band, there is still a chance to go lower. Of course, there is nothing guaranteed because we did had our sell-off retesting the entire band, but it wouldn't be a surprise to see the price piercing the bull market support with the blue dots and the bottom of the band. Because in the past, with the SEC sell-off, this is exactly what we did. We pierced both lines before going back up. Another scenario could be to retest the lines, but in the future. This way, XRP wouldn't have to go lower to retest those lines. Anyway, we almost touched the line, so it's hard to say if XRP still needs to retest them. Currently, the bull market support is around 42 cents and the bottom of the band is slightly higher than 41 cents. Anyway, both are very close. So remember these levels, they are critical for the future. From my perspective, this is the final step before going into a full bull market. I know that it looks scary because we went from here to there, right? But these lines are there for a reason. They are here to bring us peace. Without those lines, we would all be clueless about the potential scenarios, but thanks to my indicators, we can stay level-headed in all situations. Now I expect XRP to hold its position inside the bull-bear band. And if we have another breakout above it, then yeah, the moon will be ours. I hope it's clear. It's time to move to the next chart, the cloud chart. This chart gives us another perspective of the current situation, but it leads to the same conclusion. I remind you that on this chart I use the 23 days time frame. And what are the odds that the current candle that you can see just right here, let me take this and I will circle it, this candle, this white candle will close tonight. From my point of view, it's not a coincidence. The market wanted to retest the green line before the close of the candle. And at the same time, as you can see, we are also retesting the clouds in orange. On this chart, I kept the bull market support with the blue dots, and it became even clearer that we didn't touch the bull market support, as you can see. So remember this. That said, we pierced the green line and bounced from it, which is good. And right now we are trending inside the cloud, which is orange, due to the retest. As long as we do not have a candle body closing below those lines, we are fine, so stay calm unless this happens. Again, this is the kind of confirmation that we needed, right? We have our sell signal. Here we had our sell signal, we have a sell-off. Remember in the past when we had our sell signals, here we had our sell signal, sell off to retest the bull market support. Then again, we went up, sell off, and huge move to the downside. And this is exactly what we are seeing right now. We had our sell signal and we are seeing the sell off, retesting the green line as a support. This is why my indicators are so useful. Indeed, they are designed to give us an edge in the market so that we can decode exactly what's going on. And right now we see that we have a breakout above the cloud, right? With this candle, we came back to retest the cloud as a support. Then we have a breakout above the green line. We have a moonshot, right? We are coming down to retest the green line as a support. So this structure is really normal for XRP, and I would say that it's even more than this, it's healthy. Currently the green line is around 46 cents, so you need to remember this level. We can move to the next chart. So this is straightforward, guys. With this line you have two colors. You have the red one. When we are below it, it becomes red and we are in a bear market. When we are above it, it becomes green, right? And we are in a bull market. So you can see that first we have a breakout, then we came down to retest the line as support this time. We had a huge move to the upside, and now we are just retesting the line again. So with this simple line, you understand exactly what XRP needs to do to remain in a bull market. It needs to stay above the green line. It's that simple. And currently, the green line is around 48 cents. And to conclude the video, let's talk about the XRP Bull Bear Index. As you can see, we have only one point that is white. All the other points are green. This means that we are still mostly bullish. So from my perspective, there is nothing to worry about. However, if you see XRP trending below this line in this area for a long time, and especially if we have a full body of a 33 days candle closing below the line, then we are in trouble. But unless this scenario happens, we are fine, guys. If you like my content, subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.